imagined your product having a signature sound, background music that sticks in your customer's mind. Music can turn your product into a whole experience. Trust me. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Suno AI to create custom background music for your product. Whether you're selling jewelries, clothes, shoes, any product, or even an online brand, this is your video. Turn your product into a whole vibe. Welcome to this channel. This is a place where we turn simple ideas into strong results using AI. Are you a business owner, content creator, or any profession? You're in the right place. Subscribe and let's enjoy this journey together. Let's open Suno AI and prompt it to create a theme song for a juice product called Jisky Juice in Afrobeat style. And here we are. Suno has actually generated two alternatives for us. Let's first listen to both of them and choose the best.
Morning in a cup, sunshine in a sip.
I think I prefer this one. Are you hearing that? No studio stress, no copyright, no budget, just a simple prompt.
Hey, cheesy juice.
And just like that, you have seen how to turn your product into a sound that your customers will never ever forget. Be ahead, give your brand a sound and see how your business changes. If you have liked anything from this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and see you in my next video.